In this video, I will show you how to assign a label to an object and how to assign a value to that label. All right, on the screen right now, we have a very basic um, simulation model. And if you want to figure out how to build this basic simulation model, please check the pop-up link above. Or you can check the related videos in the description. All right, so right here we have this start point, the queued activity, and the endpoint. So we can show the title for the endpoint. Good. So imagine the system is a small organization that we serve our customer, and this start point is where customer arrive. So when customer arrive, we can collect several information like the order of the customer arrive at our company premises, and as well as what time did they come, right? So let's create a variable or a label. And again, you can see the relevant pop-up link to show how to create a label. Let's do it now. So we can go to data and roost, go to label, and we will see the label editor window. So right here, let's add a new label. Let's call it customer ID, right? And let's choose the default type of this label is number. Click OK. All right, we can add this label customer ID to an object. In particular, the object we want to add to is the start point. All right, we can add the object, the start point. Good. All right, now we need to assign a value to this label. And to do that, we can click on Add Action. So basically, each customer need to have a unique ID. So basically, we just choose unique, click OK. Right. Click OK. We can try to run the simulation. All right, so let's check the current content at this queue here. All right, go to check the current content and we see we have a few customer are in the queue, the waiting area now. For instance, we know this is the customer has an ID 43. Good. Now let's create another label. The time the customer did arrive. Okay, again, go to data and roost, go to label and add a new label. And let's call it the time in when customer in the company or organization. All right, and let's choose the format of this label is number as well. All right, and we will do the same. We will add the time in label here to the object start point. All right, and the last step, just add a value, assign a value to this label. We can choose the timestamp data for this label time in, right? And click OK. Click OK again. Now we're happy to run the simulation again. All right, let's look at the current content in this queue again. Now we not only know the order or the number of the customer is waiting, customer 43, but we also know that this customer arrived at 470 minutes of the day.